Today I'm going to show you how you can download ringtones on Android. First up, open the web browser and type in the Google free ringtones. Now choose any trusted site. Look for your ringtone and choose continue on browser. Tap on the download and wait 15 seconds. As you can see, now we have our ringtone downloaded. So let's check it. It's okay, it's MP3. So let's jump to the settings. Open the sound section and choose the phone ringtone. Now swipe down and choose add ringtone. Select your previously downloaded file from the downloads and select it on the list. Now click OK, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.